afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling today, sir?
I'm alright. I'm okay.
Okay, so I don't know if you can remember this song, 10 over 10. Levels don't change. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
okay, can you tell us the artist that sang the song?
Yes. What can I? Sokisi. Huh? Sokisi.
Are you sure? No, sir. Are you fine?
Like, when people are having sex, they all have their sound. Some people used to scream ouch, some people used to say yeah, even some used to say yeah, moku. So all those sound like that. So sir, in like a second, can you just tell us what you sound like?
The music, as in the kind of sound of
Yeah.
sexy, wa?
Yes.
House.
What's up, my people? What's poppin'? Welcome to another exciting episode of Voxpop, brought to you by Camera Boy TV. I'm your host, Lanis. Chill with us, we'll be right back. Actually, I have a question for you. If you can remember the song 10 over 10, 10 over 10.
I'm not a fan of music.
I remember.
Okay, so can you please tell us the artist that sang the song?
10 over 10, 10 over 10, 10 over 10.
You don't know about it.
I don't remember, but
Levels don't change now, you know me again because I'm 10 over 10. You can remember, right?
Yeah, I love it.
You love the song?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. So can you tell us the artist that sang the song?
Actually, I love the music right now, but I love the music right now, but I don't know it's like I forget the person's name. So
Listen to me. Listen to them. You are disgracing me.
10 over 10. Levels don't change now, if you know me again.
You like that music, don't you?
Yes, now it's been long.
No, you don't you?
Yeah, but can you remember the artist that sang the song?
No, I don't hear music like that. She don't be Abdul Karim. Shut up, my friend.
Everybody has a sound they make during sex. So personally, I have mine, and even guys do have their own. So in a short clip, like in 1 or 2 seconds, can you just tell us what you sound like?
I'm like Two-Face Idibia.
What? No, like what you sound like while having sex. That's what they say.
You sound like.
Yeah, what you sound like, your sound when having sex.
I can let's say ouch. Ouch.
How do you sound?
That one is for secret.
Just get out.
So can you tell us what do you sound like during sex?
Ouch.
Okay. Brings us to the end of today's hilarious episode of Voxpop. Remember to like, comment and subscribe on our YouTube platform, and also remember to follow us on all our social media handle at Camera Boy TV. I remain your girl, Lanis.